Also developing today, the Tampa rapper accused of killing a pregnant woman and her unborn child just days after a jury found him not guilty in a double murder made his first court appearance. You see that virtually right there. Billy Adams going before the judge. While he did not say much, new court documents show he's using a familiar defense. 10 Tampa Bay's Malik Rankin went through the filing, and Malik, it gives us new details on exactly how police say he is connected to the death of Alana Sims.
Today's hearing only lasted a few minutes, but the details revealed in these documents filed ahead of his next hearing on Monday could change what happens. Right now, Billy Adams will remain in jail without bond. In this motion, the state detailed interviews with witnesses and Adams, and how the more questions they asked, the more his story changed. The motion for pretrial detention states Adams told detectives he was home the entire evening of January 30th. That's the night Alana Sims was killed. She was 5 months pregnant. TPD says her body was found on the road of a new Tampa neighborhood. Her toddler son was asleep in the car next to her when police arrived.
It's awful.
Documents show Adams gave police video showing him with friends at the villas that night. He recanted those statements after police later determined that the video was recorded on February 1st and was altered to indicate the January 30th date and location. Just days before Sims' death, Adams was acquitted in a double homicide case.
In fear of Mr. Beast getting shot or myself getting shot.
He claimed self-defense. Now he's giving police a similar argument. Documents say initially the defendant stated that the victim pulled a gun on him, and while the defendant wrestled with the victim, he shot her. When the defendant could not demonstrate the events, the defendant changed his statement to the fact that the victim pulled a gun on him and he was able to get the gun away from the victim, then shot her in the head as self-defense. On Monday, the state will argue that Billy Adams poses a threat of harm to the community and should stay in jail without bond throughout his court proceedings. That hearing is scheduled for 2 p.m. on Monday at the Hillsborough County Courthouse. Malik Rankin, 10 Tampa Bay.
And Adams is charged with 2 felony counts, first-degree murder and the killing of an unborn child by injury to the mother.